Hey guys, in today's video, I will be showing you how I buy stock on the stock market. We're currently going through a financial crisis with the current pandemic situation. And if you're a person who wants to get involved in the stock market, this is not a bad time to do that because we are currently experiencing some incredible lows in the stock market. So I'll be showing you how I buy stock. So I'll be using Tangerine. You're welcome to use any other bank you would like, but Tangerine is my bank of choice. So let's get started. So let's get started. I'm going to log in. If you do not have a Tangerine account, you can click sign me up and that page will load up and you're able to sign up. You'll need all that information there. And Tangerine is really awesome. They will help you set up your account almost instantaneously. So you don't have to wait around as compared to traditional banks where the process of setting up an account can take a few days. Tangerine is pretty instant. So yeah, let's do this. So when you log into Tangerine, you will see this here. My Tangerine will show you your bank account, and you want to click on products. And when you scroll down, you see here you can open a savings account, a checking account, a credit card, GICs, business account, and investment funds. We want investment funds, and we want a tax-free investment fund. So I'm going to click on that. And you see all of that, tax-free savings account, an RSP, non-registered, and all of that. So here, tax-free savings account, it says it works well for almost any goal, and you can start with as little as $25. And you can do a portfolio, etc. So let's say invest now. So now Tangerine says that they would like to explore some accounts with us. And again, it's not too late to go back, but we want an investment account. So that is selected. Non-registered investment fund account, registered investment fund account, RSP, etc. We want a tax-free investment account. What do you need to have ready? You need to have an existing Tangerine account or an account at another financial institution or a tax-free savings account that you'd like to transfer. So add, and then we're going to click next. So that's what it has. It has my information there, and if you scroll down, it will have everything else. So I've confirmed my personal information. It's asking me if my use for these existing accounts has changed. It has not. I'm going to confirm and then continue. And then this is where it gets interesting because you can basically choose the kind of tax-free investment fund account you want. It says it'll take 10 minutes to do this. And now you want to answer correctly. Have you double checked? Yes, I have. I'm able to receive documents electronically. I'm already familiar with the terms, and I'm able to use an electronic signature. And that's because Tangerine does all this stuff electronically. They do not have physical branches as you would with RBC. Tangerine is not my main bank account. I do most of my main banking with RBC and TD, and Tangerine is mostly for my savings and investments. So page 1 of 18, let's do it. So they're going to ask us what investment is right for us, and they're going to ask us a series of questions. Agree to that. And you can choose what sort of goals. This is for retirement, and I find that retirement with Tangerine gives you the most aggressive portfolio. And I'm a young person, so I'm not planning to use that money for any of these purposes. And that's why I'm buying stock when the market is not doing so well, because I'm young. If I was a senior, this would not be the time to be buying more stock and potentially losing money in the short term. So retirement, please. It's going to ask you how much you make in a year. Let's say you only make $25,000. And let's say you don't really have much possessions and maybe you only have $3,000 in your savings. And it'll ask you how well you understand investment products. This option basically is the most aggressive investment option, so let's go with that. And in terms of when you plan to use it, like I said, if you're investing right now, you're probably in it for the long haul since the market is pretty unstable right now. So let's say not for a long time. and these objectives, which of these are important to you to keep your investment safe with no risk. Probably not the case since you're investing right now. If you want a conservative increase, if you want moderate growth, or if you want to maximize the growth of your investment. So that's what I want. I'm going to go with that. And how would you react if your $10,000 investment fell in value by $1,000 within a month, which, is very possible in these times. That's what I'm doing right now, so I'll buy more. And what if your investment is going up and down over time? I would be happy knowing that there's potential for maximum growth going forward. And so this is a recommendation. It's the equity growth portfolio. So yeah, that's it. You have set up your account, and it says if you have a high appetite for risk and you're looking at investing for 10 years or more, this is what they recommend. All that information is there. You can also scroll down and it tells you about the funds. This is a mutual fund and it has a mix of Canadian, US, and international equities. And you're able to invest automatically through the automatic savings program. And that means you can, deposit $100 a month every month and it'll invest that for you. You're also able to diversify in the global market and automatic rebalancing. And then you click that and you're basically good to go. So immediately you do all that, you will see this on my Tangerine page, and I made an initial investment here. We went for a really conservative account opening since they only make $25,000 a year, so they only invested $200 of their $3,000 savings, and the market is pretty chaotic. So since that investment, the fund has actually lost $38.81. And so in order to buy, you click on there and it will tell you, would you like the purchase to take place once or ongoing? I'm gonna just click just for now. I'll ask you if you borrowed money to make this investment. I don't know why they asked that though, but it's kind of interesting. And it says this will be used for that. And that's it. You've bought some stock. So that amount will be added later on. I've done this past 3 p.m. So it'll be added on the next business day. So congrats, you have entered the stock market. You'll get an email notifying you that payment has gone through. And so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below and I will answer. I also have a playlist with lots of content on investment and personal finance and all that sort of content. So if you're interested, please check it out. Please stay healthy, stay safe, and thanks for watching. Bye.